Beskar mar Gaeve, Jason and Show agus ha video acum Gaeve. Hi there, this is Jason and I have a video for you about Gun Robh. I've been asked about when to use Guvel, Gun Robh, things like this. So let's look at Gun Robh today to help sharpen your accuracy. So first of all, we've got some sentence starters. Yeah. Ha mi asmenichig. I think. Ha iete gra. They say. Ha mi kinchach. I am sure or certain. And one great thing about these videos is if you watch all three, you're going to be acquiring these phrases at the same time, effortlessly. Your brain's going to soak them up. Bonus. All right, gleva, ha mi asmenichig. And then what do I think? I think that ha mi asmenichig, and then va mi ski anje. Va mi ski anje. I think that I was tired yesterday. Anje. So notice we're in the past now. I think, and then we have I was tired yesterday. So why didn't you respond to my text? I think I was tired yesterday. Gleva. So what do? We add in Gun Robh. Gun Robh. And this says that. I think that I was tired yesterday. Simple as that. Gleva. So we have Gun Robh. Ha mi asmenichig, Gun Robh mi ski anje. All right. Ha iete gra. What did they say? Va shniach ounce na bjaunten. Va shniach ounce na bjaunten. Na bjaunten. Look at those bjaunten. It's like a beer commercial or a Christmas film. Bjaunten, mountains. Bjaunten. So they say that there was snow in the mountains. How do we do it? I think you know. Ha iet agra, Gun Robh, shniach, ounce na bjaunten. Ounce na bjaunten. You also might hear Some folk might say na bjaunten, because technically the snow is on top of the mountains. It's not inside. So there are two different ways of saying it. Na bjaunten, ounce na bjaunten. I've heard both. Gleva. All right, what are we certain about? Ha mi kinchach. Ha mi kinchach. Ha mi kinchach. Va mari ik an tai. Mari was at home. I'm certain that Mary was at home. What do we do to link them? Gun Robh. Ha mi kinchach Gun Robh Mari ik an tai. There we have it. Gleva. So that's how Gun Robh works. Just like this. Give this a try yourself. Sharpen your accuracy of your speaking and your writing. Gleva. If this video is useful to you, please watch my other ones. And if my work is useful to you, I invite you to consider supporting me through my website, through my online courses, and directly through PayPal, which is also a link under the Support Me part of my website. Gleva. Thank you very much for joining me. I'll see you in another video.